Well, I feel very humbled and privileged to be the Chief Justice of Oregon. I would say my path to this position is probably untypical or not usual. I was raised by a single mother in Northeast Portland. I enlisted in the U.S. Air Force a few months after I graduated from high school. No one in my family had ever been to college. I attended college after I returned from Vietnam. I went to Portland State. I graduated from Portland State. Then I was fortunate enough to be admitted to law school at Willamette College of Law, where I graduated and became a public defender in 1975. I was a public defender for nearly 2 years. Then I went to private law practice. And from private law practice, I was appointed to the Court of Appeals. And then in 2000, I ran in a 5-way race for a position on the Oregon Supreme Court. And I was the first Hispanic in Oregon elected to a statewide office. And I was elected to the Oregon Supreme Court and began serving in 2001. And my colleagues elected me the state's 41st Chief Justice in 2006. I recall, as a very young lawyer, being able to call lawyers who were generations ahead of me, very experienced lawyers who I may have only spoken to a couple of times, and felt a freedom to call them and ask them for advice about a particular case or about a particular problem. I think that exists today, that it's this kind of civility and this kind of commitment and inclusiveness is a hallmark of the Oregon State Bar. The Oregon State Bar is committed to fostering diversity and to fostering and enhancing and continuing this commitment to professionalism, civility, collegiality, and inclusion. In fact, beginning in May, we will start our new lawyer mentoring program. This is a mandatory mentoring program that will last for 1 year for all new admittees to the bar, in which we will pair up new admittees to the bar with experienced lawyers. And throughout that year-long mentoringship, the more experienced lawyers will be imparting and enhancing the commitments to civility and collegiality that are hallmarks of the Oregon State Bar. And that's what makes us different.